Yes, YouTube, welcome back again. Yes, new video, new day. BTC is pumping again, and I would not be surprised if this was one big giant liquidity sweep to take out all short positions, to eventually drop crazy, right? This was during Asia. I wake up this morning and it felt like it looks like they are dropping everything they had, right? So I'm still bearish on BTC. We didn't hit 64.3k, but we bounced on a support level, the 786 on the daily. We created a bullish divergence on the 1 hour or the 4 hour, and this is a strong sign that you will see more upside, right? So I posted a signal in my group, and this model played completely out. So I woke up in big gains this morning. So as that said, we are looking at the weekly as usually, as I always do. We do a top-down analysis. We're looking at the weekly. Yeah, you can see this thing is still super bearish, right? So this morning they created one giant swing up to eventually grab all this sell side liquidity of short position, right? Actually, we hit all time high. So let me show you guys. This was all time high. So we broke right through it, right? So one thing is very interesting to see now is that the 8 hour, the daily is still running, right? We still have 15 hours to go, almost 16 hours, but it's already underneath underneath previous all-time high, right? So one thing that's interesting is that the 8 hour closes a candle underneath this weekly resistance. So when we go back to the weekly, you see this bearish divergence, right? You can expect downside. When we go to the daily, we also see a bearish divergence here. It's not very precisely, but you can see this is a bearish divergence, right? So we need to close this candle to confirm that this is a bearish divergence, because the RSI can grow a little bit more to the 70 line. So yeah, we have some space here, but the 8 hour shows us that we're actually bearish, right? Because the 8 hour shows a strong bearish divergence, as you guys can see here. So yeah, that means that that it's possible that we see more downside for BTC, right? There's one giant fair value gap here on the 8 hour. So it's possible that we drop crazy to the downside. It's a weird timing of the year. Everything can happen. We can sweep more to the upside, but I'm still bearish on BTC. To be honest, what happened last days is, I'll show you guys. If you look at my previous video, I showed you guys that we hit the 786 on the daily, right? So we go back to the daily. This is the 786 here on the daily. They grabbed crazy liquidity before they actually ripped up to the upside. But if you look it's not a really nice 786, but let's say what the 8 hour is saying. The 8 hour was like this, right? So the 8 hour shows us that 67.8k, that was the level. So if you're looking at the 4 hour here, you can see that we created a bullish divergence, right? That means that if the 8 hour hits this 786 and we're creating a bullish divergence on the 4 hour, then you know you're going to the moon. So I posted this signal in my group, and yeah, congratulations to the gainers, because they made a lot of gains yesterday and today. So as that said, BTC bullish, yes, but on the higher time frame, still bearish. I'm expecting downside for BTC still. So it's a quick update, quick video. And remember, it's possible that they sweep more liquidity before they actually go down, because yeah, it's possible that you know, we still underneath this weekly resistance, so we need to have a confirmation. We need to close the candle above this this weekly support resistance level. So till then, I'm still bearish on BTC. You know, so be careful with long positions. Just be patient, as I always say. And if I see something crazy happening soon, then I post something new. But for now, I'm still bearish on BTC. You know. You can see here also this crazy fair value gap, you know. So yeah, that's it. I want to see a candle closes above this weekly resistance to become support. I want to see an SR flip here to stay to remain bullish on BTC. But for now, I'm still bearish. So you know. One thing I've learned is just be patient, you know, don't chase these candles, you know. A lot of people are going long now and they got wrecked, you know. And you can be lucky that they pump during New York time in 4 hours. But yeah, that's gambling, you know, we don't gamble. So again, bearish BTC. And if I see something, I inform you guys, you know. If you guys don't know, I have a group. It's called Crypto Gainers, the most honest group there is. You know, if you are honest, we are honest, and you're more than welcome. We make crazy gains. You know, I post the same setups I trade myself every day in the group. You know, and yeah, make crazy gains. So again, give yourself a chance. Be patient and do some education. Learn something and. You know, get yourself some education. So thanks again. Thanks for watching. And I see you in my next video. Stay tuned because this will be a crazy week for BTC. Still bearish, expecting downside. Be careful with long positions. And I see you in my next video. Stay honest, make profit, and God bless. See you later.
Time, think about me.